Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Goodwin, Arkansas, a small community in St. Francis County along US Highway 70. This highway is one of the oldest major east-west routes in Arkansas and runs across the state from the Mississippi River to the Oklahoma border. US Route 70 once carried most cross-state traffic before the interstates were built. Through this area, the highway closely follows active farmland and old railroad corridors. Goodwin sits just a few miles west of Forest City, which makes this stretch of highway a local connector for work and shopping. The community developed in the late 1800s as a railroad and farm shipping stop near the highway route. Cotton farming originally drove the local economy, followed later by soybeans and rice. As traffic shifted to Interstate 40, US Highway 70 became quieter and more regional. Today, this highway mainly serves local residents, farm traffic, and travelers looking for an alternative to interstate driving. Thank you for joining us on this drive along US Highway 70 in Arkansas.
Thank you very much.
Thanks for watching!